first off, your broad takeaway with Nvidia outside of all the noise.
Hey, good morning. Listen, it's a perfect quarter. I think what we learned yesterday is the AI party can still continue to go on. They had such huge expectation going into this print, and I think the whole market was relying on Nvidia and was holding its breath because everyone was worried about the DeepSeek story and does Nvidia continue to grow, and does the AI story continue to be the main driver of the market? And yesterday we learned that, yes, it is going to continue to be the big story, but I don't understand why people will sell it today.
You know, for me, because I was looking at all the moving parts of the quarter and outside of the past performance, which is what earnings really are, which was big, right, and sort of their expectations that they'll continue to grow. Yes, you have the DeepSeek story. Yes, you have the sort of the China uncertainty story. To me, it felt like it's whether you buy into this Blackwell story. So they have this, obviously, this new chip design, which was unveiled with a lot of fanfare last year. They rushed it into the market, which came at a cost in the short term, but they say demand is through the roof. They're excited about it. They think as they get more customers transition to this next iteration of their chips, that process will get smoother. So that, to me, was the biggest takeaway from the quarter, that either you buy into that the demand is huge, that they're going to make a lot of money from that, or you just get caught up in the other factors out there. What did you zero in on most?
Yeah, I think first of all, the Blackwell ramp is $11 billion for this year, which is the fastest product ramp ever. I think what happened is they had some hiccups. Their pace of innovation at Nvidia is every year they're going to have a new platform rolling out to improve efficiency of compute and AI deployment. What happened with the Blackwell is a brand new platform that they went onto, and they had some hiccups with supply chain, some of the software that they created, and that really what kind of really was the only negative that Nvidia had last year. I think going forward, they announced that Blackwell Ultra, which is their new iteration of Blackwell, which is basically can do pre-training, post-training, and inference at the same time, we'll start shipping in Q3 of this year. But the reality is we've seen $300 billion announced by all the hyperscalers this last quarter, or the last few weeks, basically, in data center deployments. And most of that is going to Nvidia, basically. So I think this story is just getting started.
Okay, so at your firm, you guys still own Nvidia shares. You're bullish on it as an investment?
Yeah, it's our biggest holding, and we it's tough to add to Nvidia today because we already own it for basically all of our clients. But the reality is, if you think about where the future is going to be, Nvidia is 6.5% part of the S&P, so every portfolio should own that stock.
All right, Hatem, good to get you back with us. Thanks for breaking down the story on Nvidia's latest quarterly results, and we'll continue to watch the Nvidia story and the broader market story.